up, my boys? It's your boys. You already know who it is. We're over here at Exclusive HTX with the grand opening of Hibbet, Nike, Jordan, Adidas shoe store. We're gonna do a walk around everything that's going on over here. It sounds really fucking badass over here.
Hey, it looks.
My boys, I cannot fucking hear.
Yeah,
bro.
You're recovering your ear.
Yeah, fuck no, bro. I have real sensitive. I can hear it from here, bro. I have real sensitive ears. That shit fucked my ears up, boy. That shit's badass though. You can feel the heat.
Yeah,
bro.
I got warm,
bro. My body, like I'm already chunky and I'm already kind of heated, you know. But you can feel the heat of that fucking fire coming out, bro. Jesus Christ.
This is so clean. Like, look at y'all. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Woo! Bro.
My fucking ears so hurt, bro. God damn, big ass puddle, bro. Look.
Bro, you stay stepping on puddles.
Damn, if y'all remember, I stepped in the puddle last meet at Houston Car Meets. The same shoes too. They're still wet from then. Somebody left their Crown Royal on the floor.
Oh, bro, that's mine. My bad.
No. we got RoboCop.
Daddy, chill.
I got 2 trophies, 4G Scat and Blue Civic. Where you at? Blue Civic, I think it's the Blue Civic that's right here. At the very front. Tell him to come over here. Where's he at? And then the 4G Auto, the 4G Scat right here also.
Alright, my boy, so we came kind of late to this meet. They're already handing out trophies. It's for cleanest wheels, loudest system, and something else.
Yeah, I got one of them, you know.
Yeah, we got one of them. We just don't want to show it. We're not show-offs.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're gonna keep walking around, just try to see what's still left here. More Christmas cars, cause you know we're feeling very jolly right now. Oh, they got the green. Yes, sir. That's my boy. You can steal Christmas. Yes, sir. Fucking DJ.
That's a pretty paint.
That's a wrap, right?
Is it?
That's cool as fuck. It's getting cold. Goddamn. It's gonna get lit out here, bro. I don't know. I might start sucking dick later.
Alright, this is the end of the video, guys.
Alright, my boys, they were gonna do a two-step competition, but it's raining kind of hard. My mic is already wet. My camera is all wet.
I'm wet.
He's wet. And we're just gonna call it a day. It's cold. I don't want to get sick again. So
yeah.
Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below what's your favorite car. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so you can see anytime we post a new video, and we'll catch you guys later.